Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to use the stepper motor with Arduino. In my case it's Arduino Uno, and also I'm using a nunchuck to control the stepper motor. If you haven't seen my previous video, please go watch the video, and I have a small tutorial and show you guys how to use the um, nunchuck, and also I have a link below the video. You can download the library for that. Okay, let's talk about the stepper motor. A stepper motor, the people normally they use the Arduino, they purchase this stepper motor. This is our good for the small projects and as a prototype, but in the um, real life you never use this stepper motor. That's why I decided to use the industrial stepper motor. In my case is a NEMA 23. You can buy a NEMA 23 with the different sizes. I have a small size and bigger size, and also it comes with NEMA 17 is smaller than this, and it's very easy to use, and it's also cheap, and it comes with a controller, and you can buy it less than $20 or $30, the whole motor and controller. It depends on where you purchase this. um, for we have to know, before connect this stepper motor to the controller, we have to know about the these wire coils. Normally, or the stepper motors come with 4, 6, and 8 wires, and in my case it's 4 wires. To find out which, we have to find a pair, because 2 of these wires go to the pull and 2 of these wires go to the direction. This is pull plus, pull minus, and direction plus and direction minus, and we have to find out which wire is the right pair. There are 3 ways to do that. One is you have to go see the documentation from the manufacturer and read about that and see which color is the right pair. And the other thing is, some people, they use a multimeter and measure the resistance of the wires. And the easiest way is, you have to, if you the wires are not connected, you can rotate the stepper motor with the hand. It's pretty much easy to rotate this one. But as soon as you find the right wire, for example the black and green connected together, and try to rotate the stepper motor, and it pretty much is very hard and impossible to rotate. That's why I know that green and black is one pair, and blue and red is another pair. Okay, now how to connect this one to the controller. It's very easy to use. I have another controller. All of them are pretty much the same. As you see here, we have A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus. One of this pair, it doesn't matter which one, to go to the A plus and A minus. The other pair goes to B plus and B minus. And we have here ground and then voltage. You can put the power supplies. In my case it's 24 volt. I connect this one to power supply. Now we have to connect the Arduino to this. If you go to the Arduino IDE and open any example of the stepper motor, there are 4 examples here. You open one of this and it shows you the example. For example, they're using the pin 8, 9, 10, 11. If you see the controller, as I said, all of them are the same, and the same concept. Here at the top we have the pull plus, pull minus, and then we have a direction plus and direction minus. That's why we have to connect these 4 pins to this. The pin 8 and 9 goes to pull plus and pull minus, and then for the direction plus is 10, pin 10, and direction minus is pin 11. Yeah, I already done it here, I connect my Arduino. This part is a pin 8, 9, 10, 11 and connected to this part, and the pair goes to the A plus A minus. This is my, actually this is, I connect the slide. This is the lead screw here. I connect this the wire to, as I showed you before, the pair goes to A plus and A minus and B plus B minus, and I connect the power supply is 24 volts here. Now I'm gonna show you, I have a small demonstration for you guys, and I can connect the my Arduino here to the USB. Okay, before I started, I'm gonna show you how I wrote a small program here. If you saw my previous video, you know if I use the just the x-axis on the, which is the left and right, the range goes as you see here, I have it, the range go from the 26 to 220, and if I don't touch this button, the value is 121. That means in middle state is always 121. If I go all the way left is 26. If I go all the way right is 220. That's why in my program I use, if the value of the Nunchuck is 121, I don't want to move the stepper motor, which is the set speed on 0. And then if it's on the right side, I said I using a mapping because I want to have the speed, the range between this 122 and 220. I set this range from 0 to 100. That's why I give the motor speed, and then I set the speed. I did it a little bit faster speed, multiple to 100, and this is my stepper revolutions. And also for the other side, if it's less than 121, is because the range is between 26 and 120, and again I use this mapping function to set the range from 0 to 100, and then here is the same speed, but the step I use the minus, that means it's a reverse. It's pretty much that's all, and the rest is for connection, the Nunchuck, and is the same things I showed you in previous video. Okay, if I, for example, move this one to left, let me connect the controller is, I have to turn it on the controller. Okay, now the controller is on. If I push left, and then if I push right, it goes right. Yeah, that's you know, very simple to use this one. And in my next video I have I'm building a robot, but as soon as I upload that video, you guys can see you know, the application, the better application from Nunchuck and the stepper motor. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumb up and write a comment if you guys want to know more or any question. I would like to I would be happy to answer your questions. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.